Good afternoon to everyone. So I welcome you all for flight dynamics or the third class. So today we are going to cover different types of drag and estimation of parasite drag coefficient by a proper area method. But in our previous classes we have covered forces and moments acting on our aircraft like a lift, weight, thrust, drag. And next one, equation of motion of a rigid flight vehicle. So we are consider our flight will travel like a climbing state. After that we are reduced that derivation into a steady state level. That means lift to weight, thrust to drag. So today we are going to cover this topic, different types of drag and estimation of parasite drag. So we already know drag, it's an aerodynamic force while it act on our aircraft. So this drag will be affect our airspeed or flight speed. It is an opposite force act to the thrust. So it may classified based on our resources. So where it will created, based on which parameter it created. So based on this parameter we can divide under the categories. So next we look into different types of drag. So first drag will be a parasite drag. It is a common word, parasite drag. It will be further classified into form drag, and second classification will be a skin friction drag, and third one will be a interference drag. And second category, that is a profile drag, and next one lift induced drag, and next one wave drag. So these are all the types of drags we have. Next we look into a major parameter, that is parasite drag. So based on this drag only our flight performance will be varied. So that only we are going to estimate how quantity will be generated from our aircraft. So first, parasite drag. So it is produced based on motion of our aircraft in the air. So based on this operation the drag will be created. So how it will created? So it is created based on our air molecules between the collision. So in this parasite drag classified into form drag or a pressure drag, skin friction drag or interference drag. So these are all the info about the parasite drag. Next we look into subcategories of parasite drag. So first one will be a form drag. So form drag is nothing but it is produced based on our shape of our object, that means aircraft. If our aircraft have a shape of aerofoil, so the smooth airflow we can attain, so the drag will be minimized. So I am going to give one example. You may choose a lorry as well as car. So the maximum aerodynamic drag will be created for the lorry only. Why? Because based on the weathered surface area which is interact with the air, so it must be a approximately a vertical surface. So it does not leave the air to the backside of a lorry, so we can't attain the maximum speed. So that's the reason. So this parasite or form drag will be created based on our cross section of our object. If our object have larger cross section area, so it produce larger amount of form drag. If we have a smooth surface area or blended surface, we can get the smaller amount of drag we can attain. So it is fully depends on the shape of our object. So this is the example. You can see this is an first figure and this one will be a second figure. Second figure looks like a aerofoil, so there is no air disturbance act in our airfoil. So based on this principle we can eliminate this form drag. So smaller cross section area needed. Second one will be a skin friction drag. It is produced based on friction between the aircraft surface to the air. first interact with the surface. So based on this interaction, the skin will friction will be created in the top region. You can get it from this figure. So we need to avoid this skin friction. We need to use smooth surface or good finished material in our aircraft. If we have a rough surface, it will create enormous amount of drag. So this drag will be called as skin friction drag. So we can minimize by using smooth surfaces. Next one, profile drag. So it is the combination of form drag and skin friction drag. So we already studied skin form drag is fully depends on the shape of our object. And next one, skin friction drag, it is fully depends on aircraft surface to the air molecule. If we want to avoid that, use smooth surface. So you have any doubt, now you may ask. So this is the parasite drag. Next we are going to discuss about how to estimate. You have any doubt? Thank you.